thought it would be a good idea to get my brother involved, get him to taste some of these sauces and just see what he thinks of them, because obviously I'm going to have an opinion and it'd be good to see what somebody else thinks. So today we're going to go through, I've got the sauces I made a little while back. It's been about 3 weeks, I think, since I've finished these off. They've been in the freezer. I've defrosted them over the last 2 days. So, like I mentioned before, when you're freezing these, you're basically stopping the fermentation so that the fruit that we've added is not going to be used up by the lactobacillus. So it maintains some of the sweetness, although it's arguable how much sweetness is actually going to be maintained. So we'll see what my brother thinks, see what he thinks of the sweetness, the flavor, and also we're going to compare it to just the base Monster Mash. So we'll start off with that one, I think, because it'll give them a good level set as to what this should taste like without the fruit, and we'll see where we go from there.
Quite thick.
Yeah, it's quite a thick one. The smell is good.
Smells good. Yeah.
The lemon, you can smell that?
Yeah.
What do you think of that? It's got a good heat.
Nice.
It's not a bad heat. It's a little bit hotter than I think average person might want.
Hotter than average, but nice.
But the flavour's good, isn't
It's
it?
a lovely flavour.
Yeah, I really like this. I'll be making this again next year, I reckon.
I like that on its own.
Lemon really brings out flavours in peppers. I do love using lemon. So we'll do the mango one. This is the one that I thought would probably taste the best when I was making these. I can smell the freshness of the mango. Not a really strong mango flavour.
I can't taste mango. I can taste fruit, but not mango.
But yeah, you can't. It's not mango.
I can't taste mango. Yeah, if
I
you
guess
said
because you're
what fruit,
expecting.
I wouldn't know, but I can taste there's fruit, but not particularly mango.
A little bit of sweetness. Yeah.
Nice.
It's good.
Good.
It's quite interesting, the colour differences here. So this is pomegranate, and that one there is mango. Pomegranate's got a bit of a red tinge to it, because obviously pomegranate. Purple. Again, I can't smell pomegranate. It's definitely a different flavour to the mango.
Definitely different. You can taste berry. You can taste a berry flavour in there.
I like that. It's okay. It's nice.
Might have a bit more of that one. That one's...
Yeah, I definitely want to try a few more different fruits. There's certain fruits that work really well. So next one is pineapple. So pineapple is quite a common ingredient in hot sauces. So it'd be interesting to see how this has turned out after it's been frozen. I can smell the pineapple. Cheese.
That'll warm you up.
Smell that. You definitely smell
the
pineapple.
Yeah, definitely. Pineapple that's the one fruit that stands out here. Bless you.
Excuse me. Nose is running.
Yeah, you can smell that pineapple.
Cool. That's a good flavour. The heat's all building up now.
Yeah.
We're having hot wings after this for dinner, so it's a good starter.
Got to decide which one to use. So far, I reckon the mango or pomegranate. I think mango so far.
You prefer the mango? I think the pineapple is the most apparent that is what it is.
Yeah, it is obvious.
In terms of the smell and that sort of thing. But I'd say it's between the pineapple and the pomegranate.
And the plain
and the
Monster
original.
Mash. Yeah.
Yeah.
That plain is good.
So the last one here.
Yeah. Lips are getting warm.
So try that one out. Excuse me.
It's getting hotter, isn't it?
Yeah. I could probably make this go a bit further by adding some vinegar, but I was trying to be a bit of a purist with what I was doing here. Can't really smell the apricot, but what do you think of the flavour?
Good flavour. Can't taste the apricot, or I can't decipher whether it's apricot or another fruit, but it is.
I can smell the apricot.
Good flavour.
My sinuses are cleared up now, so I can smell everything. It's a tough one because the pineapple's good. It's a very in-your-face sort of flavour.
I have to try the mango again. I think that's, for me, is the one.
I don't know if you would get the subtleties if you can't handle the heat, because all you're getting is the heat and it'll dominate everything. But honestly, you can get the flavours through here.
There's a difference.
Yeah, it is definitely a difference.
They're all different. They all have their own characteristics. But that's my favourite.
Yeah.
The original.
I'd probably agree with you. In terms of the fruit ones, my favourite is the apricot.
Fruit, mine's a mango.
The mango.
The mango.
Yeah, but at least, hopefully that gives you a bit of a hint as to how to do it yourself if you want to try some other interesting fruits. The one that I've had that I think would be quite interesting to try is the durian out in Singapore. It smells like feet mixed with cheese, but it actually tastes all right. Wow. So it'll be quite interesting to see what that does in a sauce as a bit of a novelty, I guess. But thanks, Steve. And time for us to
Thank you.
Let's go and have some wings. Nice.
Brilliant.
Thanks very much, and we'll see you again next time.
I'll take this one with me. Is this one I keep?
Yeah, well, there's a couple there you can have to.
Oh, beautiful. Whew, that's hot, eh? They're mild, but they build up.
Old man, they're coming after you.